Assalamualaikum, dear students. How are you? Sixth class English. Our today's lesson is thinking about the poem. Thinking about the poem. जो हम poem पढ़ रहे थे ना, Why do all the teachers go? उसके सवालात हमें करने हैं. Answer these questions. ये जो नीचे क्वेश्चन है इसके क्या करने हैं, हमें आंसर तलाश करने हैं. To find their answers. These answers of these questions. Why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? 4 बजे के बाद टीचर कहाँ जाते हैं? Why does the poet want to know? इसके बारे में क्यों जानना चाहता है ये इसके बारे में इसलिए जानना चाहता है. The poet wants to know about the teachers because that is the time when school is over. That was the time when school is closed and every person goes to his home. So poet or a little boy wants to know about the teachers where they go. कि टीचर कहाँ जाते हैं. ये छोटा बच्चा ये जब जानना चाहता है कहाँ जाते हैं, क्या अपने घरों को जाते हैं या नहीं. नंबर 2, what are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? जो नॉर्मल थिंग्स है ना, ये समझता है पोएट, समझता है ये बच्चा समझता है कि टीचर्स जो हैं वो नॉर्मल नहीं होते हैं. दे आर नॉट ऑर्डिनरी पर्सनस बट दे आर स्पेशल पर्सनस. दे आर स्पेशल पर्सनस. वो समझता है ये स्पेशल पर्सनस हैं, ये ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन नहीं है, नॉर्मल पर्सन नहीं है, नॉर्मल पीपल नहीं है टीचर्स. इसलिए ये इनके बारे में समझता है कि इनकी कोई अलग चीज़ है. तो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स नॉर्मल पीपल डू? The things normal people do that are a normal person live in house, wears pajama, changes their clothes, wash his clothes, wash his hands. That is the things a normal people do. Number 3, what does the imagine about why teachers live? ये जो पोएट है, ये जो तालिब इल्म एक लड़का है, ये समझता है कि टीचर कहाँ रहते हैं. तो अपनी जगह ये भी समझता है कि हो सकता है अपने घरों में रहते होंगे. His teachers live in houses. What they do at home? They wash their socks, they eat and drink water, they sleep, they go on beds. और क्या, what they do at home, the people with whom they live. Teachers live with their family members, with their parents, their activities when they are children. Imagine about their activities such as they wrote a incorrect word, they spelled incorrectly, they achieved any mistake, etc. So write on your question on your notebooks and questions books.